Hi everyone, how are you today? So today we're gonna start with our Friday fun for the risk management. So it's just like Alex was our is our employee who has downloaded a Pirate Bay on our help desk computer on our company's computer. So we have to tell about what the threats the company faced after downloading, because the associates claim that the system reveals botnet installation company computer keylogger on the help desk machine, which means like computer gets slow. So we have to tell about what the threats and vulnerabilities allowed to this situation, what were the assets affected, what was the threats. It is external internal threat action vulnerability, execute vulnerability, and recommend at least three actions to prevent. So this is my file now, which I'm going to present to my CFO and CEO. It's Risk Management Friday Fun presented by Chaudhary Junaid Ihsan. So the first we're gonna present threats and vulnerabilities. So the threats are the Pirate Bay basically is the external the threats from the external agents are the Pirate Bay, which was downloaded by the Alex. It was an external agent. It has hosted the movies packaged with malware, because Pirate Bay has malware packaged in it. It hacks the computer of anyone who downloads the movie and uses them for the botnet. Just like the malware, what's the malware do? It hacks everything. Um, whoever downloads that external file. So the next one is internal agent. Alex has done the and Alex was our internal agent who was the threats. Alex is a help desk employee who downloaded the movie from an untrusted website, Pirate Bay, to the help desk computer. The movies were packaged with malware, which executed the results for the hacking, which got botnets in that. So the vulnerabilities was the help desk PC has no antivirus or firewall to quarantine sandbox malware. Basically, there was no antivirus protection. Alex carelessness, also he should not download the file from an untested file, and a lack of awareness. So chain of breeze. So how did it get into our laptop or into our computer? Alex basically downloaded and it installed a keylogger which records all the keystrokes of helpdesk PC. After recording the credential of all the company PCs accessed by the helpdesk PC, the malware installed botnets on all of them. The malware now has access to the company PCs and their data. And the next is relationship table. So first column is assets affected. The helpdesk is our PC asset type, hardware, and is restricted and is always required. The threat was internal Alex threat action downloading, vulnerability Alex carelessness. Then the company's PC hardware restricted required for the second asset. External, it was Pirate Bay malware installing botnets slowing down PCs. It's the threat action, lack of security vulnerability use. And the third one, Alex personal asset and external downloading movements, lack of awareness. Company's file is the fourth one, information restricted is essential. External malware, unauthorized access, and lack of security. And the next bit, effects of threats on our assets. Helpdesk PC is Pirate Bay provided malware infested movies file, installed keylogger, provided unauthorized access to the company's PC, installed botnets, slowed them down, prone to getting hacked. Alex lured him into downloading malware company file, provided unauthorized access to hacker, unauthorized access. So the corrective actions is install commercial antivirus on all companies PC, regular scan and clean all the companies PCs, block access to untrusted websites like the pirateby.org on the company's network, security training for all the tech supports employees. What to do with Alex? Alex attempting to first of all, Alex should be fired for his actions because he has hurted all of the organization's PCs. What he did, attempting to watch movies while on duty, using the company PCs for layer, causing a security breach due to his carelessness. If the company cannot afford to fire anyone right now, make him attend security training, which is necessary. You warn him for the irresponsible behavior, so he does not do, he don't do these things for the next time, and be careful. Thank you so much. That was all from my side.